Okay, hi class. Welcome to this instructional video about Cengage MindTap for entrepreneurial operations class BUS 102. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to run you through the entire Cengage, kind of talk a little bit about that, get you comfortable with that. Most of you guys have started, so it's all good. You know that you go to the Access MindTap here, which will take you to this one right here. So let's take a look at what we have. First thing you're going to see is the 4 parts: entrepreneurial opportunities, feasibility, business design, planning, and growth. You hit one section, brings up the chapter. Follow me here. You probably know all this, but I don't want you to miss any hidden things. So in chapter 1, you know that you have 2 activities here, but there's another set of activities under the chapter. Of course, here's the chapter. Here's activity 1. Click that and you take that. One good way to navigate here is to drop those if you're not needing them anymore. If you're done with chapter 1, you can go on to chapter 2. Again, here's the activities. There's sometimes 2, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 activities. Finish those after you've read the chapter, of course. And then learn and understand. That's the next part, is learn and understand. Of course, you go ahead and you click that, and you go through the chapter right there, and experience and apply you'll see there. So when we're done with chapter 2, drop that down. Bring up chapter 3. Don't forget the activities here, and you go through and you take those. Hide that one. Learn and understand, and experience and apply, and you're going to see that for basically every chapter. So we're done with part 1 after 3 chapters, of course. Part 2, we go through this section here. This is the feasibility analysis that we're getting into now. When we're done with part 2, going to part 3, obviously, get to chapter 11. Don't forget, open up the activities. Here's 4 activities for this chapter here. So that's all I really wanted to go through. That the idea here is that there aren't any deadlines for this. So I might send an email and say, hey, you're falling behind or something like that. I could certainly put deadlines up, but I don't think people like deadlines. And you've got to finish them all each chapter, or each week we have a couple of chapters. All in all, there's about 350 points possible for all these. So it's kind of a cumulative grade. So I want to point out that it's not going to be showing you, you got a 90 out of this test here and an 80 out of this test and 100% on this test. You're building 350 points throughout the course. So it's pretty easy stuff. This is pretty self-taught, where you get to go through and look and make sure that everything is what you like, and then you submit the assignment. So just wanted to go through that, make sure everybody is on top of that. Other assignments I'll make another little video for, and if you have any questions, certainly email me. Let's see what else. That's pretty much it. You're just going through here and getting to the MindTap section and creating your activities and doing all those. I just don't want you to miss anything. So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions on that one. Thanks very much.